Hi. Okay, I'm out here. Hannah's over there. Yeah. We're okay, I'm gonna chase the chicken, and you're gonna watch because this chicken's really funny. Yeah.
Go get
Run! Roar! Right, bitch, you run! You run, bitch! There's more chickens. Come here, cock! Roar! Forrest! Oh, God.
It's working. You're texting me, it's working.
She's horny. I didn't say anything. Come on, let's go chase some more chickens. Right there. It's Emily. It's my doggy. Emily, I love you. Fuzzy balls. You like my fuzzy balls?
Allie,
What?
chicken ran away from me.
I know.
Why is it run away from me?
They're bastards like that.
They are?
Yeah. Do you want to go chase some chickens?
No, they're all the way there.
Okay.
You wanna fuck me?
Okay, bye.